Welcome to AI Newstube, your briefing on what's happening in AI and tech. Researchers have been testing GPT-5.5 on FrontierMath problems to see if it can flag fatal errors. FrontierMath is considered a challenging benchmark for AI models. The results are promising. GPT-5.5 was able to identify fatal errors in about a third of the problems in tiers 1 to 4. This suggests that the model is strong enough to sanity check the benchmark. Noam Brown reported that the initial flags came from GPT-5.5. Users on Reddit have been discussing the implications of this development, with some PhD students sharing their experiences with similar simulation software libraries. One Redditor shared a personal anecdote about how a math error in a simulation software library wasted a year of their life. This highlights the importance of robust error detection in AI-assisted research. The community response has been positive, with many users praising the potential of GPT-5.5 to improve the accuracy of mathematical benchmarks. Next up, automating tedious tasks with Claude Code's new Run Until Done mode. Claude Code has introduced a new Run Until Done mode, allowing users to set a completion condition and let the AI work until it's achieved. Users can kick off a goal and come back later to find the task completed. This feature has been well received by the community, with many users sharing their experiences with automating tedious tasks. One Redditor shared their experience using Claude Code to automate a task, and reported that it performed well. The community consensus seems to be that this feature is a significant unlock for productivity. Moving on, what can we learn from TanStack's NPM supply chain compromise? TanStack experienced an NPM supply chain compromise and has since conducted a post-mortem analysis. The incident highlights the importance of security in the NPM ecosystem. The post-mortem analysis provides valuable insights into the incident and what can be done to prevent similar incidents in the future. Users on Reddit have been discussing the implications of this incident and sharing their own experiences with NPM security. One Redditor shared their concerns about the security of their own projects, highlighting the need for vigilance in the developer community. And now, comparing Hyprland with other Wayland compositors. Hyprland is a highly customizable, dynamic tiling Wayland compositor. We've compared it with other Wayland compositors to see if it's worth the customization effort. Users on Reddit have been sharing their experiences with Hyprland, with some reporting that it's worth the effort for the level of customization it provides. However, others have noted that the learning curve can be steep. One Redditor shared their experience switching to Hyprland and reported that it improved their productivity. The community consensus seems to be that Hyprland is a great option for those willing to invest time in customization. Next up, using ChatGPT to generate content for textbooks. ChatGPT is being used to generate content for textbooks. This raises questions about the role of AI in education and the potential benefits and drawbacks of AI-generated content. Users on Reddit have been discussing the implications of this development, with some educators sharing their experiences with AI-generated content. The community response has been mixed, with some praising the potential of AI to improve education and others expressing concerns about the accuracy and reliability of AI-generated content. Our next story, using Logseq to manage notes. Logseq is a privacy-first knowledge management platform that has been gaining popularity. We've looked into how it compares to other note-taking apps like Notion. Users on Reddit have been sharing their experiences with Logseq, with many reporting that it does a better job than Notion in terms of privacy and customization. One Redditor shared their personal tip for using Logseq to manage their notes, highlighting its flexibility and ease of use. That's your AI Newstube update for today. Thanks for watching. Have you tried any of these tools? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this useful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode.